Hello everyone and welcome back to the Quantphilic. So today we'll be discussing a question on algebra, to be precise, on wavy curve topic. Okay, here's the question. You can pause the video and give it a try. So hope you are done. Now let's begin. The question says this is the equation is less than 0 and how many integer values of the given equation. Okay, here are the options. So as soon as you see such questions which are like x minus a into x minus b less than equal to 0, equal to or greater than equal to 0, or x plus a also, immediately you should use the method known as wavy curve. Wavy curve. So what we do in wavy curve is basically, say we have a equation, we have a equation we have a equation, say it is x minus a, x minus b, and this is less than 0, and we are asked the integer quantities. Okay, we will find the critical points. What are critical points? The point at which this equation becomes equal to 0. So when is it possible? When this is 0 or this is 0 or both are 0. Both can't be 0 at the same point because a and b can't be, then this equation will be whole square na, so not possible. So either this 0 or this 0. So for this to be bracket to be 0, the x should be a. So the first critical point is a and the second critical point is b. Okay, now as soon as you draw this, the rightmost portion, the rightmost value is b, and all the portion to the right will give the positive value for the equation, isn't it? Say we had one here and we had two here. Okay, no, not one, one here and two here. So this will be one and this two. So beyond this, if we take any value, say we take x equal to 3, so ultimately we'll be getting positive here and positive here as well. So this will overall be positive quantity, isn't it? This equation will overall be positive because both are positive. So for that very purpose, immediately what you should do after plotting this curve, you should mark this region is as positive. Okay, now next step will be the region just before this. This is the bifurcation which came with the critical point. The region before this is negative and then again bifurcation positive. So if we have more than two, say we had three quantities a b c, so positive, negative, positive, again a bifurcation, negative, but it will go like this. The same concept we are gonna apply here. Okay, this was a bit about the wavy curve. These are the critical points here are 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 20. Okay, now plot this 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I'm gonna show you a twist too in this question. How could this question would have been more interesting, although it is. I'm telling you that. And 12, 14, these are critical points, isn't it? 2, 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, then 16, then 18, and the last one is 20. Okay, so the first step is the rightmost critical point is 20. So beyond this is positive. Okay, positive, the alternate negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, and positive. Just I'm telling you the solution of this, and post that I'll be telling the twist. So we have got so the question's demand is less than or equal to 0. Now this equation will be equal to 0 when this bracket, either this 0, either this 0, this 0, this 0, or any of the are 0. Okay? Which means that the critical points all will be the integer value satisfying the equation, isn't it? Obviously. Okay. So first, so these are the sum of the values satisfying 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, dot dot dot. Okay, so we'll calculate this. This will be how much? 20 minus 2 by 2 plus 1. This is 18 by 2, 9 plus 1, 10 values. 10 values over here now. Now we question also has, so see we were having less than, we were having what we were having less than equal to 0. Equal to portion is dealt with these all 2, 4, 6, 8. So equal to 0. Now we'll consider for less than 0. Okay, less than 0 portion is this, less than 0 means negative. this portion. So one value from here, one from here, one from here, one from here, and one from here. What that will be, that actually won't matter. All we need to know is that we get the integer which makes the equation. Okay. So one here, one here, one here, one here, one here. So total 5. Initially we had 10, now 5. So overall 15 is the answer to this question. Super awesome question this was. Now coming to the twist. Say let the if the question would have been just a small twist, okay, this quantity would have been there. X minus 2, there would not have been any x minus 2. Okay, so what would have been the change in the equation? Wait a second. Let me erase this. We don't have x minus 2. Okay, the only twist in the question is we don't have x minus 2. So in that case, this quantity is completely gone. Okay, so beyond 4, we will be getting all the negative values. So which means we'll get infinite negative values. So ultimately, the answer would have been, you know, this was the twist which can be possible in this question or such questions. So hope you like this. Thank you so much.